Hello friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Welcome back to Kesariya Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today I'm also busy by uploading the videos and creating videos for you for this festival season. Today also I'm going to show you the exclusive varieties from the silk segment only for the Dussehra and Diwali season varieties which the manufacturers has brought. And at my background you can see a lot of bunches of boxes you can see here. All are silk segment varieties of every individual state varieties you can purchase. So this video will be helpful to you, and if I talk about the silk segments in entire India as well as worldwide, the silk varieties or weaving work sarees are more demanded for every woman. Either you're a housewife or you're a working woman, they prefer for the festival, even the traditional wise and even the pujas. The culture, the Indian culture's tradition is they recruit a lot of collections and demand for this silk varieties. So today I'm going to show you the exclusive festival base. Just I want to show you that you can look at here. So these are all new varieties of this collection. So keep watching this video and subscribe the channel for the regular updates. You can, once you watch this video, and easily you can purchase from entire India by COD options. We do provide you minimum to 20 to 25k. You can purchase. International also we provide you sea services, cargo services, pre-advance booking also you can purchase. My colleague has arranged these beautiful collections. So to show you in this video, every pattern you will find out the color chart. If I talk about the silk varieties, which start from Kesariya, which is only 150 rupees. And if I talk about the highest price, 3,000 to 4,000 bucks. But I want to tell you friends one thing, in the market when we go for purchase these collections, silk depend on silk like Kanjivaram silk, South also they have a manufacturer, Surat is also manufactures. According to the Surat weather, here per day 50 to 100 sarees are getting manufactured. If I talk about the South manufacturers, according to their weather, not more than 10 to 12 sarees get manufactured. This is the difference, and this is what the secret of this Kanjivaram or the Dharmavaram stonework and Paitani, Patola. Every state have an individual color and the taste. So this today I'm going to show you with the color charts. Let's have a look for the first pattern. The beautiful color chart of the South tradition base, the yellow with red color, the lemon color with the combination of the fancy tassels. Just see, look at the box, how beautiful the box packing they're giving you. And the contrasted heavy pattu border you can see, and the red tassels you can see here. So this is the pattern. So sari, you will find out the photocopy on this. So this photocopy, every individual sari in the box you will find out the photocopy. And this sari is having this beautiful pallu where you can see the weaving work saris. Every sari you have a multiple thread work where you won't find any damages. The quality which gives you such an elegant variety. So in this sari you can see the floral based weaving work and this floral based weaving pattern of the contrasted color. The following color charts are dark purple with magenta, parrot green with dark reddish color, tomato red color, light rama green for the magenta color, dark pink with magenta color, yellow which I showed you, and here is a dark maroon with a light brownish shade. This is one of the pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, such a beautiful color of the peach color combination. Here is the only entire designer saree of the weaving work with the silk satin, pure soft silk with the fancy tassels you can see here. You can take down the screenshot if you require. So every pattern, this is the first pattern which I've showed you, the Kanjivaram Hashina, and this is the pattern, the soft Kanjivaram silk, Swarovski stonework you can see here, the fancy tassels with the matte finishing. This is called as the pattern of the code, which is fancy product silk is the code, and you can see the tag of the brand which is giving you, this is what the manufacturer is giving, and such a beautiful color covered with the stonework. If I talk about the color charts, the following color charts are here. The one is pista light shade, one is light grey shade, and one is light green shade. This is the following pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, the heavy exclusive Kanjivaram variety in the floral base, the contrasted color combination. Here I will take you the onion pinkish color with the Meenakari pattern of this Rama color combination. Such a beautiful peacock designer. So the entire sari is designed on the base of peacock, the color combination. This is what the manufacturers, they combine, they segregate in the designing department. Once the sari gets manufactured, then it goes to the market. The manufacturers, this way they product the collections and they give to the retailers, and we are providing and supporting to the retailers. The following color charts are the dark red color with the brownish shade, and one is light green, one of the green color with magenta, parrot green with magenta, light orange color with bottle green, and this color I've showed you, and yellow with magenta. If I talk about the classy, very simple and sober, the next pattern which goes around, rapier silk varieties. If I talk about this collection, such a beautiful light, one of the mandy green color shade with the bottle green. So this color goes very awesome, which looks very classy. And this color and this following chart, the color code is called Indian Shakti Silk is the code. This sari, you have a beautiful golden and the copper jari finishing with a copper border. You can see here the fancy tassels with the only thread of the long lengthy tassels which has been given. So this is the way the designer exclusive varieties are giving from the Kesaria manufacturers, which starts from only with the 150 rupees. The following color charts are the dark magenta with Rama green, dark navy blue with Rama green, and bottle green with the dark maroon color, purple with Rama green, and again the Rama green with navy blue. This is the following color charts. If I talk about the next color, beautiful colors for the exclusive, always looks very royal and grand look varieties of Banarasi collections. These collections are fancy face silk variety with blouse. Every sari you will find out with blouse, which is 630 meters. For this festival season, the manufacturer is giving you. If I talk about the beautiful color, the dark purple, you can see, if I talk about the saris, Banarasi, there is a heavy weightless saris also, heavy concept saris also. Entire sari is designed with the multi-thread work on the copper jari and the copper finishing and the fancy tassels you can see here. The single beautiful pallu when you wear this sari, which looks royal look, and the sari is having a dark purple piping work and the small butta which is given here, and this dark purple I can say, which looks dark wine color also. And the sari, the following color charts are one of the royal dim blue color I can say, and the dark maroon I can say, one more color is a dark bottle green. So friends, I've showed you the all exclusive Banarasi rapier silk Kanjivaram Siroski, all many more varieties you can purchase from Kesaria manufacturers. No single piece, everything, any segment you purchase, set to set you have to purchase because you're purchasing from manufacturers. Manufacturers provide the collections, any segment you buy, set to set. That's what the manufacturers, and we are supporting to the retailers. If you're also interested to start your showroom, boutique or a sari shop, you want to start a kurti under one roof, Kesaria is giving you sari, lehenga, kurti, bottom, dupatta, kids collections, varieties of saris and handloom collections, many more exclusive collections you can purchase for women apparels at factory price. So how this work collections, please let me know in the comment box, and from which city you're watching the video, please let me know in the comment box. Subscribe the channel, keep watching every video, and pre-booking order you can do it, and you can tie up with Kesaria manufacturers. There we won't provide you any damages because you're buying from a factory, and when it comes damages also, there is a 100% replace option for you. You can purchase by COD for entire India, 20 to 25k, international pre-advance booking 50,000 also you can purchase. You can also do visit purchase. Please visit Kesaria manufacturers. Airport also we have there, which is you can travel from airport also. You can come by train also. And the numbers which are on the screen, you have a pickup drop facilities also. We have every language sales executives, even in online, even in the visit purchase. No need to worry. You have a live video calling benefits also. You can do live video calling purchase sitting from your home. You can do online shopping with Kesaria manufacturers. So I end up this video, complete this video. Next video I'll come up with many more new exclusive varieties. Keep supporting, keep sharing the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next video we'll meet up. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.